In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix can't hear sound through headphones on PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do is go over to the volume icon right here. Firstly, just make sure your volume is actually up. Then go over to the volume icon and right click it, and then go over to sound settings. For your output device, make sure it is set to whichever headphones you're using, and then also make sure the volume is high over here. Make sure mono audio is off, like so. And what we also want to do, if it still doesn't work, go over to more sound settings. Then stay in the playback tab, which is the first tab. Find whichever headset you're using. So let's say I'm using this, and we just want to set it as the default device for, whatever you're hearing. Then let's say I'm using something like Discord. So I'm going to go over to Discord right now. All I want to go ahead and do is go to user settings, then go to voice and video for whatever application you're using. Go to speaker and then select your headset within the application itself as well. So whatever application you're using, check those settings too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.